Hey Quiz Masters, be ready for a new challenge. Welcome again to the quiz game. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. If you are an animal lover, then this video is for you. Here are 60 animal quiz questions that you have to answer within 10 seconds. Let us know how many answers do you know. Which snake is non-venomous among these? Python. Pythons kill by constriction, not venom. Which animal's milk is pink in color? Hippopotamus. Hippo milk contains traces of two acids that make it pink. Which bird sleeps while flying? Alpine swift. Alpine swifts can sleep in short bursts during flight. Which animal can survive in space? Tardigrade. Tardigrades can survive extreme conditions, including outer space. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. The platypus is one of the few egg-laying mammals. Which animal can regrow its brain? Flatworm. Flatworms can regenerate not only their body, but also their brain. Which creature has the most number of legs? Millipede. Millipedes can have up to 750 legs. Which animal has transparent blood? Icefish. Icefish have no hemoglobin, so their blood appears transparent. Which animal can change gender naturally? Clownfish. Clownfish can change from male to female. Which bird can mimic human speech the best? African gray parrot. African gray parrots are known for advanced vocal mimicry. Which fish can climb trees? Mudskipper. Mudskippers can crawl on land and even climb trees. Which animal can taste with its feet? Butterfly. Butterflies have taste sensors on their feet. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles have the strongest recorded bite. Which insect can recognize faces? Bee. Bees can recognize and remember human faces. Which animal can see ultraviolet light? Reindeer. Reindeer can see UV light to detect predators in the snow. Which creature can live without a brain? Starfish. Starfish can function without a centralized brain. Which animal has no vocal cords but can still make sounds? Giraffe. Giraffes hum at night despite no vocal cords. Which animal has blue blood? Horseshoe. Horseshoe crabs have copper-based blue blood. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward. Which animal has the longest pregnancy? Elephant. Elephants are pregnant for about 22 months. Which sea creature can clone itself? Starfish. Starfish can regenerate into clones. Which animal has the fastest punch? Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp punches faster than a bullet. Which mammal can fly? Bat. Bats are the only true flying mammals. Which animal's poop is cube-shaped? Wombats have cube-shaped feces. Which animal can live the longest without water? Kangaroo rats can survive their whole life without drinking water. Which animal has a heart in its head? Shrimp. Shrimp have their heart located in their head. Which fish can survive on land for days? Lungfish can breathe air and survive droughts. Which animal has the largest eye? Colossal squid eyes can be as large as soccer balls. Which animal can hold its breath the longest underwater? Cuvier's beaked whale can hold breath for over 2 hours. Which bird can sleep with one eye open? Ducks can let one half of their brain sleep at a time. Which animal is immune to snake venom? Mongoose. Mongooses are resistant to cobra venom. Which animal has the most powerful immune system? The naked mole rat rarely gets cancer. Which animal has the highest blood pressure? Giraffe. Giraffes need it to pump blood to their brain. Which bird has nostrils at the tip of its beak? Kiwi. The kiwi uses this to smell insects in the soil. Which animal has fingerprints like humans? Koala. Koala fingerprints are nearly identical to humans. Which animal can survive being frozen? Would frogs can survive ice in their bodies? Which creature glows in the dark naturally? Jellyfish. Some jellyfish are bioluminescent. Which animal can see behind itself without turning? Dragonfly. Dragonflies have nearly 360-degree vision. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopuses have 2 branchial and 1 systemic heart. Which animal's brain is larger than its body? The tiny seahorse-like animal called a brainworm is an example. Which animal can sleep for years? Snail. Snails can hibernate for up to 3 years. Which mammal has the most teeth? Dolphin. Dolphins can have up to 250 teeth. Which animal is born pregnant? Aphid. Aphids reproduce via parthenogenesis. Which bird uses tools to hunt or eat? Crows use sticks and wires as tools. Which animal has a permanent smile? Axolotl. axolotls have a face that always appears to smile? Which animal uses its nose as a finger? Elephant. Elephants use their trunk as a tool. Which fish can generate electricity? Electric eels can produce shocks up to 600 volts. Which insect can explode as defense? Bombardier beetles eject boiling chemicals. Which bird does not build nests? Cuckoos lay eggs in others' nests. Which mammal can glide like a bird? Colugo. Colugo can glide up to 150 meters. Which animal's ears never stop growing? Rabbits' ears keep growing throughout life. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich eggs are the largest in the world. Which animal has a blue tongue? Chow chow dogs. Which animal can walk on water? Basilisk lizards can run across water. Which mammal has the thickest fur? Sea otters have the densest fur in the animal kingdom. Which bird has the fastest dive? Falcon. Peregrine falcons can dive at 240 miles per hour. Which animal can't jump? Elephants cannot jump due to their size and limb structure. Which animal can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl. Owls have extra neck vertebrae for rotation. Which animal is known to laugh? Rat. Rats emit laughter like sounds when tickled. Which insect can live headless for days? Cockroaches can survive without a head for a week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this.